Another one? Oh, what about it? Another 20W. What a model? 7,000 seats.
20W approaching the cab out.
20W, yep. 20W.
So this was 20W.
Yep. So, Tony, your birthday present's been good so far?
Hell yeah. Good. Good. Keep it that way.
777 in the room.
Q77.
Q77.
Did I hear that right?
Mm-hmm.
That's extra 777.
Yeah, actually triple. Where's he at? I don't see anything on the STCS.
34877.
Oh, is that a 34A I just heard?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna do this as a joke to my coworkers.
What? Oh, the done.
Yeah, I told them I was at work today. Yeah, I told them I was at work today. I showed up for something that said Dollar General. Close enough, right?
That's funny.
I should have to get paid for this then.
That's funny.
Oh, that's bad. I love it. Wait for his units on.
Hey Phil, throw me your phone real quick when you get a chance.
Yeah.
Let's see if 202 got a past clean capsule yet.
Hang on. 23Z and 34A in Harrisburg.
Okay, I figured as much.
Yeah.
Probably both stopped.